Have you ever woken up feeling like a stiff wooden plank? That nagging back pain that creeps in slowly and then refuses to leave. You stretch, you twist, maybe even pop a pill or two. But the discomfort lingers. What if the solution isn't in your medicine cabinet but in your kitchen fruit bowl? Sounds suspiciously simple, doesn't it? But here's the shocking truth. A humble, often overlooked fruit might just hold the secret to relieving your back pain naturally, without side effects, without expensive therapy, and without invasive treatments. And no, we're not talking about some rare Amazonian superfruit or exotic berry from the Himalayas. We're talking about pineapple. Yeah, it's the sweet, spiky tropical fruit you've probably enjoyed in a fruit salad or on top of a pizza. But what makes pineapple so special when it comes to back pain? Let's break this down. Pineapple contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain, which has been extensively studied for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. According to research published in the journal Phytomedicine, bromelain reduces inflammation by breaking down proteins that cause swelling and pain. This is particularly relevant in cases of lower back pain, which is often caused by muscle strain, inflammation of spinal joints, or compressed nerves. In fact, in a German clinical trial, patients who took bromelain supplements reported a significant reduction in back and joint pain within just a few weeks. But why rely on expensive supplements when nature already packed bromelain into pineapple, ready to be consumed? Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Most people only eat the yellow fleshy part of the pineapple, but bromelain is concentrated in the core, the part that many people throw away. If you're serious about getting those anti-inflammatory benefits, you might want to blend the core into a smoothie or juice it instead of tossing it in the trash. That tough fibrous center is not only rich in bromelain, but also packed with manganese, a mineral essential for bone health and cartilage repair. 1 cup of pineapple gives you more than 75% of your daily manganese requirement. And a deficiency in manganese is directly linked to chronic back pain, especially in older adults and women after the age of 40. Still not convinced? Here's a thought-provoking fact. Over 540 million people worldwide suffer from back pain at any given time. According to the World Health Organization, it's now the leading cause of disability globally, surpassing heart disease and even cancer in terms of workdays lost. And yet, the first line of treatment for many remains NSAIDs, which come with side effects like stomach ulcers, kidney damage, and increased risk of heart attack. So why not choose a side effect-free, nutrient-rich fruit that science supports and your body craves? Let's talk about posture. Poor posture while sitting or standing puts pressure on your lower spine, causing pain that gets worse over time. But did you know that pineapple, due to its rich vitamin C content, helps repair collagen and connective tissues, aiding your body in rebuilding damaged spinal discs and ligaments? It works like an internal repair crew, reinforcing your spine's structural integrity from the inside out. Combine this with gentle stretching, regular hydration, and walking, and you've got a natural recovery system in place. And for those of you dealing with sciatica, that shooting pain that runs down the leg, pineapple's anti-inflammatory action has shown potential to calm nerve irritation, especially when consumed regularly. You may not feel the effects instantly, but give it a week or two of daily intake, and you may notice your flexibility returning, your stiffness decreasing, and your overall comfort improving. Now here's a practical tip. If you're suffering from back pain and want to start using pineapple as a remedy, try this simple morning ritual. Blend half a cup of pineapple with a small piece of ginger, turmeric, and a teaspoon of flax seeds. This combination creates a powerful anti-inflammatory smoothie that works synergistically to reduce swelling, repair tissues, and improve circulation to the spine. Many users report improvement in pain levels within 7 to 10 days of this routine. But a word of caution, pineapple is acidic, and if you have ulcers or are prone to acid reflux, consume it in moderation. Also, avoid canned pineapple, which is usually packed in sugary syrup and lacks the live enzymes found in fresh fruit. You want raw, ripe, organic pineapple, not a processed or sweetened version. Let's take a quick glance at how pineapple compares to popular painkillers. While over-the-counter drugs like ibuprofen or acetaminophen provide temporary relief, they do not fix the root cause. Bromelain, however, addresses the source of inflammation, helps digest proteins that irritate nerves, and supports faster healing. This is why it's used even in post-operative care in Europe to reduce swelling and pain. Now, imagine this. Instead of popping pills after every episode of back pain, what if your body naturally resisted inflammation, repaired damaged tissues faster, and kept your spine aligned? All because you made one tiny change in your diet. One fruit, eaten consistently, could mean fewer doctor visits, more restful sleep, and better mobility. That's the real power of food as medicine. Of course, pineapple alone isn't a miracle. It works best when part of a holistic approach: regular stretching, hydration, stress management, magnesium intake, and movement throughout the day. But make no mistake, adding pineapple is one of the easiest, cheapest, and most delicious things you can do to improve your back health naturally. So the next time you're reaching for a painkiller, consider reaching for a slice of pineapple instead. Your back might just thank you with fewer spasms, greater flexibility, and long-term relief. And who knows? The answer to your chronic pain may not be in the next medical breakthrough, but in a fruit that's been around for centuries, quietly waiting in your fridge.